Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got these e-cloth cleaners that were sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. This is their window set. I'm so excited to wash my windows and test these out to see how they do on cleaning my gross windows. Because my windows, I live in a very humid environment, and so my windows get really funky, and I'm excited to see how these hold up and how they clean. So let's get cleaning. Okay, so the instructions are super easy. You do not need any chemicals. You only need water, which is awesome with these cloths. So you take the waffle one and we're gonna get that wet, clean the window, and then you wipe it with the smooth cloth right away. So you don't need any chemicals, just the water. So let's get cleaning. Okay, so the inside is definitely looking better. I'm doing the inside first because the outside of this window is a lot dirtier, and so I wanted to keep the cloth as clean as possible before I go outside, but it's looking better already. These are definitely doing better if I do smaller sections. So my paned window here, I can do about 2 sections. If I do the 3, I was noticing it was getting a little bit drier and a little bit harder to kind of do that polish clean. But this is pretty awesome. Let's go clean the outside. Now, let's see if the camera picks up the dirt any better. These are way dirtier than they look on the video. It's so funny. But let's get cleaning. Okay, so I don't know. I'm wondering if the camera's going to pick this up. So this one is clean, this one is not. And like, it's in my visible eyes, it's drastic. And this is so easy. I'm not having to worry about paper towels. I'm not having to spray chemicals. I am loving this. And you can see that it gets dirty, so you can wring it out and rinse it. We're just going to keep using other spots on the towel because it's huge. The window looks so much better. I really hope the camera can pick it up, but I doubt it will, but just, you have to take my word on it. These did such a great job. Here is the finished result from the inside. It's looking so nice. I also use these on my car windows. I used it on mirrors. These are just seriously my new favorite cleaning tool. So easy to use, so easy to wash and clean, and these are just making my day. I hope you enjoy these as much as I do.